Hi, my name is Dr. Tim Foster, and I'm a Senior Lecturer in Water and Food Security and the Sustainable Futures Challenge Lead for Resilient Futures. The Resilient Futures Challenge area seeks to bring together knowledge and expertise from across the University of Manchester and beyond to support societies to respond and adapt sustainably to risks posed by environmental and socioeconomic changes. Resilient Futures' activity is focused around three main topic areas. They're implemented across a range of geographic areas within the UK and globally. First of these is understanding and predicting hazards and their impacts on people and the environment, including our work to assess the impacts of extreme weather and natural disasters on economies, infrastructure, and human health. Secondly, reducing impacts of hazards through innovative risk management and transfer approaches, such as our work to develop insurance products for small-scale farmers in the global south, or our research to develop natural flood management solutions in the UK. And thirdly, strengthening resilience of societies and our natural ecosystems by mitigating drivers of risk and hazards, for example by developing policies and technologies to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and limit future extreme climate change. To find out more about Sustainable Futures, including the Resilient Futures Challenge area, head to the Sustainable Futures website.